My name is Janet. I'm the grandmother, so I named my McCain family cookbook after my granddaughter, my Honeybee. I'm a clammy right now. I'm gonna start by preparing isikwamba. Let's do this. Isikwamba is my late grandmother's dish. However, today I'm taking it to the private school type level. Smells delicious already. My love for cooking began at my grandmother's house. She was a very dramatic person. When she cooks, she loved cooking soul food. Oh, beautiful. The McCain family cookbook was just the right thing where I could document my family recipes for my granddaughter. Imvelaphi yakhe, so that she knows where she comes from, she knows the food, something for future generations. This McCain family cookbook is one of the legacies I want to leave behind. I love it. I love using McCain products because I find it to be quick and easy and they last longer.